Do you think a pair can exist without the other? Well, everything is connected by the red string of fate. We can say that everything is entangled. I am Willian Entabion, and welcome to Quantum Entanglement. Entanglement is an occurrence in the quantum world where the particles are all connected. And if a change in the state of a particle happens, then the same change will also occur in the other. These changes in their fundamental properties cannot be on random. Thus, knowing something about the properties of a particle can tell you something about the another particle. Entanglement is like a relationship of two people. Let's say that two people get married. Because of such an event, they are now entangled. So, in a case where the husband dies, the previously married woman suddenly becomes a widow. Because of the change of the husband, there is also a change in the state of the wife. Let's put two blocks into separate boxes. Then, shuffle it around. After shuffling it, we pick one of the boxes. In the box we opened, we found a right cloud. Therefore, we can conclude that we will find a left cloud inside the other box. This box will remain true even if we were to show the other box to the other side of the galaxy. Did you know quantum entanglement also has a nickname given by none other than Albert Einstein? It was called spooky action at a distance. This phenomenon refers to the reliance of two objects to each other so that they can exist. Quantum entanglement explains how subatomic particles can still be connected despite being light years away from each other. We've been talking about particles being entangled, but how do they get entangled in the first place? Let's say a pair of photons are created. This involves singular photon getting shot into a non-linear crystal. This separates it into two, which remain connected or correlated even when they are far apart. The connection of the two photons make them twins, separate them by distance and time, and a change that may occur to one of them also occurs in the other. This proves that once they are connected, they can no longer be separated whether through time or distance. There is a measurable property of particles called speed. This can be measured in any directions. But before we can measure it, we first need to specify what directions we are going to measure it in. We can measure it both horizontally and vertically, with both having a 50% chance. In simple terms, quantum entanglement is a connection between two particles wherein any change that may occur to one particle will also occur to the another particle. This phenomenon can be connected to people, wherein when two people meet, it is said that their fates will be connected forever.
Walking